Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get this new free Mr. Monopoly McDonald's sponsored avatar decoration for your Discord profile. And the main reason for me making a video on this specific quest is mainly just because Mr. Monopoly is one of the coolest board game characters there is, and we've never had a avatar decoration for him, and I think it's a pretty clean one. We have a little Mr. Monopoly holding a little McDonald's bag, and he runs and drops the fries and makes a fry trail behind him. This quest is completely free. It is slowly rolling out, so not everyone on Discord has it yet, but it will very soon be out to everyone. And the quest ends on November 2nd, 2025, which is quite a ways away. That's almost a month long of a quest on Discord, and you only have to watch a short ad video. And the cool thing about this quest is it's also available on mobile, which normally quests on Discord are not available on mobile, and normally I have to announce that it's only available on the desktop app, but in this case it is available on mobile, and it's actually targeted towards mobile users, but you can do this on PC as well. But I'm just letting you know that if you are on your mobile device, you can get this reward as well. So before we start, I just want to quickly thank you guys for, well, 2,600 subs now. We recently hit 2,500 though, which was the main milestone. And we are almost at 3,000 subscribers. And once we hit 3,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away 3 months of Discord Nitro to 3 different winners. So make sure to join my Discord server and subscribe to my channel. And in my Discord server, if you go on the left here, there is a support channel. So if you need any support with any of my videos, please go and check that out in the link in the description. But anyways, though, how to do this quest, all we're going to do here is open up your Discord app. Now, if you are on PC, all you're going to do to get to the quest will be clicking on the Discovery tab on the left here, then clicking on the Quest tab on the top left, and then scrolling down a bit and you'll see the Mr. Monopoly quest. Now, if you're on mobile, it will work a little bit differently. Now, not too differently, but just a little bit differently. So if you're on the mobile app, all you're going to do is you're going to click on the settings icon. I can't really show this on screen, but there'll be a settings icon like the one on your desktop app, but it's on the very, very bottom of your screen, sort of beside your nameplate. You're going to click on that settings option, and you're going to scroll down in there, and you're going to find a quest tab under billing settings. And under that quest tab, you will see the Mr. Monopoly Discord quest for the decoration. So it is in there as well for mobile users, and I just checked myself. It is on my phone as well on the mobile app, so you don't have to worry about it not being available to you if you're on mobile. But nonetheless, though, we have the quest here, and it's pretty straightforward. It's from McDonald's because they're probably doing their Monopoly promotion again, where you collect the stamps when you buy at McDonald's, and you could sort of create a Monopoly board and win prizes. But nonetheless, though, all we're going to do to start this is click Accept Quest. And once you click Accept Quest, it'll actually bring up a QR code that you have to scan with your phone's camera. So this quest is essentially targeted to mobile users, which is really awesome about this quest. We haven't really had a quest like created specifically for mobile Discord users. So this is really cool. A really cool way to do it. So if you are on PC and you don't have the Discord app on your phone, you could actually just go on your phone and, you know, scan the QR code with your QR code scanner or on your camera or whatever that you use to scan it. And if you scan it on your phone, you'll go to the link, and the link will actually bring you to the video on Discord. And once you scan it, it'll bring you to your Discord app on your phone, and from there you can watch the video on your phone. So you have to watch the video on your phone. It's basically just a little skit video, as if Mr. Monopoly was live at McDonald's, and it's about 1.5 minutes long. And once you start watching the video on your phone, the progress bar will go up from 0%. So we can see that it's going up. It's currently at 30% right now. And essentially, you're just going to watch this 1.5 minute video until it's over, and the percent will slowly go up. So we can see that the percentage is actually going up as I watch the video. It's a little delayed as I'm looking at my computer while watching the video on my phone, so it's not updating perfectly, but you can see it's at 41%, now 47%. And we're just going to watch this video through to complete this quest. And I just want to mention that if you do have Discord Nitro, you can also keep this avatar decoration for your account. So if you don't have Discord Nitro, though, then you can only keep this decoration for 2 months. Specifically, it is 2 months upon claiming the reward. So if you waited all the way until the end of, or the start of November and claimed it, then you would have until, the start of January next year. And so we're just about done. It's at 91%. Couple seconds left, and there we go. It's at 100. We can see that the progress bar is full, and actually on your phone, you could also claim the reward on your phone as well. Both work the same. And if we click on claim reward on the computer as well, we're going to verify yourself, and the avatar decoration will be applied to your account. We can see get your bag, or in other words, your McDonald's bag, and we can see the decoration in much more better view here. And I think it looks like pretty clean. I think that Mr. Monopoly is a goated character, and you could also click on use now to put it on your avatar decoration currently. And if we go into my user settings here, we can see what it looks like on my profile, and you could always change it by going to change decoration, and we can see all your decorations here, and we can see the Monopoly avatar decoration was added to my account. Anyways, though, guys, that is the wrap to this quick limited tutorial on this Mr. Monopoly avatar decoration. And once again, really cool quest, considering that it's basically only available on mobile, and that you have to do it on your mobile device, which there's a lot of mobile users on Discord, and I would say probably pretty even with PC users, but there is a lot of people that use it on Discord, and they're always asking on my videos whenever I post a video on a quest, like how do I do this on mobile? Well, this one is almost exclusive to mobile, so hopefully you will enjoy getting this one, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, please subscribe, get me to 3,000 subscribers so we can give away that Discord Nitro in my Discord server, and also join the Discord server. It is linked in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.